What's up, guys? Just want to check in here. Today's Monday night. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. This is the day after the 10K day on 3 accounts, which is 30K. That was that. Let's go ahead and clear all the stuff we got here. Oh, actually, just do this and then just go ahead and just delete what we don't need. And boom. Okay. So what I was looking at here is a short play because from our longs from yesterday, came and filled the fair value gap as we wanted. Now we can see candle body is disrespecting it, and then we have that 742 level. So anything below that 742 level, I want to look for shorts. Where into possibly this imbalance of volume imbalance, or back to this one where we initially broke out from. So that would be a target, ideal target for me. However, though, if we do reclaim the 50% up here, we can continue to go longs, targeting this buy side and then this buy side. So what I'm gonna do right now is, so if you go on a 5-minute here, just gonna see for an entry. We have this fair value gap that was already swept. Now we're into this next one right below it. We just change the color of that, and then you have in confluence this one right here. So bunch of areas here that we can possibly take as resistance. And we just gonna continue making lower highs from here. We'll see how that plays out. If I were to go short here, I will probably set my stops right above here somewhere. Maybe 52 of this buy side. And just risk it there. Let's go ahead and get into this position. Okay. I'll start some here. If it can get filled. Alright, we are in. We will be risking that 53 area as we said. That would be our ideal risk. From there on all these accounts. And then the target for this trade will be, not be down there, that's too low. Okay, let's see, 714, and there we go. I think we're gonna target these equal lows down here, right there. I think that is a pretty good target, just because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lows that here that we can just sweep down and then go from there. This would be ideal. Again, if we get stopped overnight or something, I'll see what I'm gonna do, or maybe tomorrow morning. If we do get stopped, it's fine, no problem, because we said if we do reclaim that 25 to 50% on the daily, right there, where is it? Boom, the 50%, 823. We reclaim that 823, we can go higher. Or if we can reclaim that 780 right here, right? You overlap these candle bodies and then you start trading above them and expect higher prices. But for now, we know that we filled the imbalance and this should be a short move lower. So we'll see how this plays out by the morning, and then we'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, check in with you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. We're still in the same night, I mean. Our 5-minute fair value gap ended up playing out, as you can see. Our entry is solid. Now the chart is looking so tasty. These equal lows should be tapped, and then after that we get the ideal target that we have going on here below these equal lows. I'm contemplating to maybe take some trims down here on this liquidity, but I think we're gonna let this one ride out. Here's how the trade looks so far. What we're gonna do here now, since we're at this point, is I am gonna set this gap away, fair value gap. I want to see this open still. I do not want to see it go like within it and then start trying to like hold the 700 area. So ideally, I think I will set my stops here. Or yeah, I think that should be fine. We're up pretty decently, and we'll see if we can get their targets. But either way, we should be green on this trade overall. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy these insane challenge videos. But yeah, let's see how we crush this. I'll check back once we going to close the trade. Okay guys, so we're back into the next day. Unfortunately, as we talked about yesterday, that liquidity level that I wanted to trim at ended up being the zone to go for a reversal. As you can see, overnight we kind of just kept grinding out from that low, and yeah, as soon as we reclaimed that fair value gap up there, we kind of just went higher. But yeah, that's fine. We kind of had our stops in position, in the money. We followed the trade plan. We did not, just exit the trade for no reason. So yeah, that was the plan. So we ended up, I think, with let me see here, I think 2400. So not too bad on 3 accounts, so 24 times 3. But yeah, see you guys next video.